Hi everyone, welcome back to Pinterest Inspiration Collaboration hosted by Kimber's Creations here on YouTube. Say that 10 times fast. Goodness gracious, everyone that's participating will be in the description box. Some of the people may not have videos up this month. They're having technology issues. Someone may be on vacation or taking a break, but they do have content, so you can just click on it and see what they created in the past if you haven't caught up on all the videos. I'm going to share with you what I used first. I used the Daisy Lane stamp, this one and that one, and this right here. I also used this Kaiser Craft little mixed media fan mesh type of thing. I really like that one. I also was going to use Count Your Blessings, but placement. And I used these punches right here that need to go back up in their proper location. And I made this. It's blank on the inside. I was going to stamp Count Your Blessings on there, but I decided not to. And the card actually was like a teal color, teal blue. And I was like, oh, this is going to be so cool. And look, I layered. Can you believe I layered? I really enjoyed making this. Now, the one thing I do have I guess a little complaint about is that this ribbon I use, one side is shiny and one side is matte. I think I just need to do a better ribbon selection, but I'm going to use the stuff that I purchased, so that is what I have created. Everyone that's participating is in the description box. Please go over and check them out and see what they create. I want to say thank you all for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.